Today I'm gonna be showing you all how to install the mini Innofader PNP on the Ddj Sx2. I'm gonna try to break it out like this. Side A.
Right now.
You can obviously hear that. Side B.
Right now.
You can obviously hear that. I shouldn't be able to hear both side A and side B on side A's side.
Right now. Right now. I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable.
Side B.
Grab your loved ones, or grab your love partner. Grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow on the new.
That's my dilemma, man. I'm going crazy. First step is we're gonna turn off our controller entirely. Now, Innofader does a really nice job at packaging the kit together. It comes with assorted cords, which we're gonna be using the 3-pin large and the 4-hole cord. The kit also comes with the main piece that we'll need to swap out because my piece is broken. For our next step, we're gonna go ahead and unscrew the faceplate. You see that left screw and that right screw, go ahead and knock them out. So we can go on to the next step. We're gonna go ahead and lift the crossfader out of our compartment. Gently do that. Next, we're gonna disconnect the crossfader from the connector. You can wiggle it, but try not to snap or break anything. We wanna remove these 2 screws right here. This step, you can go ahead and take the knob off. I went ahead and already did that. Slowly come off of it. When you finish removing the screws, go ahead and remove that original plate so we can go ahead and move on to the next step, the cords. There are 2 cords with 3 prongs and 4 holes. However, these prongs are much shorter than the ones I currently have in. So, let's see if we can, yeah. You want to use the long ones and get rid of the short ones. Go ahead and take 3 prongs and connect it into our controller. Alright. So, this says no polarity test needed. Just plug in and scratch. We literally just did that. I mean, we installed it now.
Grab your loved ones.
We taking off. Right?
Or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable.
I feel awakened. Yeah.
Grab your loved ones.
Too crazy.
Or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. On the news. Get comfortable. Grab your loved ones. Or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just me. Grab your loved ones. And cowboy booties. Or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no
we didn't have to look at no color lights, no green, no red. Just plug it in, you get scratching. It's really that simple. So now we're gonna put it back together. And there you have it. We've successfully installed the mini Innofader PNP on a Ddj Sx2. If you liked, learned anything, subscribe, comment, leave a like, and share this video. Have a good day.